How to log into Instagram account and laptop. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can log into Instagram account and laptop. So if you're also wondering on how we can do that, in this video we are going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's just get started with the process and log in into your Instagram account using a browser in order to log in. So for that, you can head over and type in Instagram in a browser in the search bar, for example, Chrome. And once you're here, you will be led to this page in the search results. So you'll be finding this very first link, which is the official one, instagram.com. Just go ahead and click on it. And once you click on it, you will be reaching to the login page directly. So under this page, you just need to go ahead and enter up your login details, like your phone number, your username or email, and then your password in order to log in. It is that super simple in order to log in. So you can just go and click on login after using up your credentials, and you can also log in with Facebook if you have linked your account with Facebook. Otherwise, if you don't have an account, you can also sign up at that moment or create an account at that moment. And that is it. So for now, you can just go ahead and enter up your phone number or your email or your username. After that is done, you can just go ahead and enter a password and log in. And once you're logged in, you will be seeing the interface of the Instagram in your account. So you can just go ahead and access it. So that is how you log in into your Instagram following up this method, which is super simple and easy. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. I thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.